Augustine. Omo the to internet neso na.
As a jealousy be ya baby.
Oh, wait dear, yes sir. Maji omuti. Maji omuti. Enti yenya atena si de na ye be koye vocabs corner. Vocabs corner na me bisa ebinim so mo kai ne enra ye kan ya na. O de ba men kai o. Engender. Enra word no engender, so en na gender. ENGENDER. Engender. Enti no I say something, it brings about something. Enti ebia nyoma bia ye na I bring it about something. And then engender. Engender arouse it, you know, it might be resulted.
Okay.
Enti engender, enra word no. Enra word engender.
To bring about something.
To trigger. I like it. To trigger something. No, enra word no. Now said this week no my EE words emblematic name. Elucidate. Elucidate. And now Monday the other name so be yeah, try say again. Elucidate. I know elucidate where this week. Encapsulate this week. Encapsulate this week. Encapsulate this week. And engender Andre. Let me see the word for today. So something interesting happened yesterday. Me wahona me little girl did sheets be brave. Me watch your words baby. Adaya or share words mami. Na me de aba me show neso. 9 years, so benya 31st May.
Wow.
And
oh, you may born.
I may born.
Correct one.
Now, the interesting thing, just one only free ye much strong words at the level, no thinking that I need it. Me fambra, me share na baby na me. In fact, I knew almost every word that she had put on. There was just one word na me who ye. I think it was not period, so I'll look for it and come and show it. Then no, meaning wood there was thick end. Me kai meaning no, but I can't word now forgotten ye not period. So, no but there were other words that I thought say meaning though. And so near try be into me catch any some paper pan into Hawaii had me dana. Into madana say madana. Oh, why yet to say 4 sheets so. Any metre. Oh yeah, was square or thesaurus. And no, yeah. And no, dear. For Obi because she thinks that I mean this is good and then we should do it into no tasum. I'm happy when a child picks up something you're doing, you know that you are making impact. And ocean there so that's it. Okay, but maybe that question I mean say word no me from brown. Yebeko and everything. So if there's something that you can't, I mean, bibi go hoya try to me read ni there's a word for it.
Want me reading ni?
You're not seeing it clearly.
Okay. Sa.
Say be a word no.
Like say. No man I try no ni Okay, and then I am calling. So it means that I should bring that word. So let's go. Auntie, are you ready?
Hey, man, who back could be a house?
Well, could be.
Dyslexia, and I
okay, and then you're gonna make very simple. Auntie, are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Bang, bang, bang. Patrick, you say tread it cautiously. Oh yeah, you'll be fine. Or tread it cautiously now. One koyene you ain't no baba nya banede. Illegible. You know, say you have heard it. You know, say you have heard it.
Is it the one I know?
Which one is that? Okay, so illegible.
ILLEGIBLE.
Thank you. Patrol spell biom na enye.
ILLEGIBLE.
Okay. And let's give them the meaning.
All right. So what I have here is illegible means that text or handwriting or print is impossible or very hard to read because the letters are unclear, faded, messy, or poorly formed.
Okay, so that's what we were talking about. So illegible. Illegible. Instead of saying say what they've written is unclear, just say this is illegible.
Wow.
Illegible.
Unreadable.
And let me give a friend credit to my little girl. Okay. It was part of her words.
Oh,
yes.
Wow.
That kind of words. And I make her say I had seen them, but I thought say there are some that definitely will be and kudos to Duchess. Duchess very wood.
Wow.
Yeah, man, shout out The word for today is illegible. Meaning is writing, print, or markings that are too unclear, messy, or faded to be read.
That's right.
Just as you said.
Yeah.
Maybe someone use a sentence be a bit to me. Yeah.
I could be what I was saying. His handwriting was totally illegible, so the pharmacist couldn't read the prescription.
Good. Because someone no much try only coins are no more interpreting. It comes with the job.
But lectures for me so hormone illegible.
What commenting on maybe why you work now commenting because usually my
and every from tutors.
Oh right.
Depending on the course.
Illegible. And who said my effort went to her there's this word that sounds a bit close. Sometimes with me are confused. Eligible, thank you. So it's also here eligible. Into my own confused. Eligible means qualified to be. Into obviously eligible. Obviously no say na. Also I am confused with fear. The manager say it is our one for adwene mu. Into there's eligible and illegible.
Eligible
near ILL.
That's right.
Into a dia can ye ILL.
Illegible.
Illegible. It's just a wound to me. Kai who shall then a wound to me. Illegible. And yes, Ramo. Muyusu. I would you know one waka. This thing, I mean, imagine Auntie Martha or you so ready. I catch her say, hey, Master, what you have written is illegible. Auntie, I don't know. Auntie, yeah.
Let's try how much of my WhatsApp needs eligible.
Okay, Opa says short hand be omu used to be an bright as a wunya Gen Z. Just a wunya Gen Z, Mr. Because
this is the doing of the Lord, no matter no. See, yes. Thank you, Lord Jesus.
I don't know. I just you. Illegible. No.
Understand that.
Incomprehensible.
Yeah, incomprehensible. Delighted. What do we remember group?
And I enjoyed the song so much. Evelyn part, you know how they did it. Evelyn, send her COVID, and no try video, and everything. No sending yeah.
Wow.
Celestine try Ghana. And I really loved it. I'm too I'm saying for more also. Anyway, vocabs corner everywhere, dear. Yes, I'm a brother Aquaba because I said no, only yenya. I concern already. A day, or people what news is on the Rialto?
Wow.
I don't know Shakespeare, bro. Something a literature crow.
Okay. Now, compare Adibino actually.
I don't know. Na I have my students who also say met in a classroom. I say.
Billions of people need you.
Thank you.
Before I make my stories, na Sompa to watch our mattress.
Hey, asema Benny. Me dear no mama chiro. Baby am nye free no me gidi me Jesus ni di.
What am I say?
Enti no me ncha. Munko so nchucho na mu yi mo robe free.
Ciao.
Na ada wo hunam ye oya na. Se wo hunam nya oya da na utwa. Se ono oni a o stars ye no. Wo fa okoko samba ba ma wo baby a wo free.
Yasebu.
Hey, the child mattress in the was.
Can you imagine? I didn't want what is Kakoto.
Can you imagine? Because of the Grofwea Bay crew. Well, and yet, Nania, as you say, a man for mattress more than that. So serious.
A mom's
who you want to take a Srano.
Chacha.
Srana, Eddie.
Srana,
yeah.
Oh, really?
Monsieur Obidia ya dadie bi ne dia say
say almost the spring into spring into another day sushim. Yeah.
Obidia enyo
na mpesa omudie na ejim munga jere
iti na ope ade ato ape authentic source it has a showroom bi.
Yeah.
Ana say ne kwakoto ho
nkofo no mo be gade omudin.
Yeah, because the din ni so na tag bi ana so
ne o makraba ne ade no
anyway
nti kokosa ne ne we ka chem
esa we so ye bia
na de ba e ma wo kan ye me interested.
It's funny no.
I know.
Because me baba sister na me who sell low win so.
Yeah, I also saw
no di kai. I saw no di kai o.
I think I saw the video.
Me I just saw the video.
Oh, okay.
When me who le when the na creme say enra. Say nansa ne ne na me hu ye. Later na be hu say Ghana Standards Authority for na ekoye o mu operation buy and obi e twa na mattress. Obi si tu twa wie na hu.
No,
obekoto achire ana so.
Exactly.
Na so na wo hu say ade we show mattress ma obekoso ada so ana. So anyway, this morning, we woke up to some good news.
Oh, yeah?
The wedding bells in the air.
Hey! Yeah. Clack it.
Hey.
Ain't you know?
As me interested.
Oh.
And I am median namoka.
Hey! No, Bamania.
What the air bassipe. In Baba Conconsawa has. Yeah. Ain't he, yes, sorry, and you who said Anita Kufu.
Okay.
Presenter Papa, one of the finest. I mean, Omo following the Omunim. The sorry, and we're pushing engagement, and the whole internet is.
Hey, Bufaso.
Cecilia, dear Papa. Anita Kufu is off the market.
Chai.
Yes.
Na be man any man mo wo hu sa. Aba. Ene ba ku na me hwe wodim say pictures ha me hu ye no. Na side na me hu na me say guy you so bi a me nim no.
Wonim no.
Ene a me nim no na.
Wonim opoku sana.
Sana me kan ye.
So yeah.
Sana.
Yeah, so.
Oh wow.
In fact, me hu ye no. Na me ni age.
Nice.
I don't know any Tekufu personally.
Yeah.
But from afar.
It wasn't clear to me. Until I'm saying, I yes, and but as what in the name, Mamma, oh, it's clearer.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
No,
Sana we know. Sana instrumentalist, Papa.
Yes.
Hey, teachers. I mean, me started music. I name Sana, you know. And I'm saying to more buy be event to be cry.
Launching book.
Good. Oh, invited me na me it's Sana Fachame. Ain't you know? I mean, I knew say Wabagana, you know, no, you're based in the UAE, right?
Okay.
And now, oh, nice. No, that's cool. Sana is a good man.
Yeah, and the lady too.
Yeah.
Oh, when you know,
if you are feeling right.
Congratulations.
Can you imagine?
Me who under Obi post to say 6th June.
Okay.
I don't know how it be about commentaries now. What?
And the very Sana oh, friend me a monkey.
No, we say, hey, and it's a good for same way. Oh, thank God for his goodness. Yeah, the Lord has
settled it.
Yeah. Just say, I follow her and I've been seeing her post. And people didn't understand the Lord has completed my just say. And some say
no cookie
bibi say.
I said just anointing at TSC Muntemo from Regina.
Yes.
And Abawe.
And 1 year.
And Nebecosa. Okay.
A double congratulations. Last month we in masters.
Oh right.
Unimark. And obe pusti and say celebrations in Kwani and Yendi we.
And the way I bet you
a month in Eja. Was signed the way.
Eja. Sir. Oh, this is beautiful.
I know a Kufu personally.
Anita.
Many personally. Anita.
Okay.
Many personally. But no, I'm junior or GIJ.
Oh, right.
See, Unimark. And now Women's Commissioner.
Okay, obey Women's Commissioner.
And I'm a electoral commissioner.
And
I'm organizing the election.
Okay.
So Anita, I know her personally.
Okay.
Just a Casa and Archer, but I know her personally.
That's good.
She comes with that woman. Or you'll be Obuadie. Yes, Obewari and a bit. I know her personally. Anita Obuadie. I'm enjoying campaign class and your back class. Lecture hall, no Abekasa.
Okay.
Yeah, Anita.
That's a baby of me, Paul Chelsea. We are there.
Yeah, correct. If you are premium when you move. And man, congratulations.
Oh, nice. Good news. I didn't know. Never win there, correct. We will not see where Sana. Yeah. Okay.
That's it.
That's good.
That's it for the Conquanza.
No.
Hey, there you.
And now, you know G so trendy.
And no Miss G if you have.
Exactly. Now me when I'm say, na sister, then we be can delight swama. No,
can say ha.
Say because of programming, or media talk, radio talk.
Right.
From here, she went on another woman's show.
Okay.
One say issues no echo by emotional moment kakrabin so
really?
Yeah.
I see.
Nefa one yenua ba ne ye mame McBrown na McBrown.
Okay.
One said before now na host United Showbiz.
Yeah.
And your sister Miss G take
over.
And according to Miss G, before I obe take you over show or call McBrown ho.
Okay.
And then the kokasai edge the blessings because for whatsoever reason you see McBrown Ghana's one of Ghana's favorites on air screen personalities as an attachment be or no air for Forson, and that was the first local show Miss G hosting. Now for presenter on hosting Chi show.
Correct.
Say that.
Correct.
Into a banner for cry and shut down yes so sure. That's that time calling Chino.
Yeah. And now they call Catchy Waha. Yeah, we are crying. Congratulating us. We wow. What's the name? One cry so to me can the tree is yeah.
Don't the number here. Because I wanted to be sure. I know how. Yeah.
Hey, they were improving. Nah.
And almost there. Yeah, they are called convergence of mothers on Saturday.
Yeah. That time was an uncle or expect to say as big sister and your sister can be a man.
Oh,
and at least our women supporting women thing no anka a be supporting women thing no anka a be bekoso be bekoso ba sister kana no tumu and or settle ene ba sister kana no tumu and or settle ene at the national. And one can woboa. I am a pa.
Wow.
Sister Penny, and Timian defending in any way. Say, be a moon. I mean, allow people to be, and I say, be a woman and mre, munye say. Now, me say comment and I say, and easy. Yes, in a chrome had you be and defend you be a woo. Nipa na wo kaso on won be defend on ne kura no.
Ono so kura ne dia ba
ya won defend no ho. Enti sign defense no emu de we he na wo kan.
Na manfo bisa na na.
Bisa wase say. We nya asem a esese ofa no personal. Enti whatever it is no Miss G should let go.
Yeah.
Na onye na djuma. Obaye no those who love her they love her. enti no onhwe no wonye n'adwuma na monkofa say no so there be enye say bia but e ade a ahye ni mu ache it is when your opportunity no a ese otimi epai muka na Ghana fo nyina ehunu de enti no obi a e woni opinions over social media obi e kire na de and so man Saturday you call convergence of mothers. Me feel say sa adie na odi aba no very very good. And to make it free for obia, you know, say we mother, say fe na wo ba, wo be kono we experienced one say. I mean, ye mama auntie akosi abewo ho. Share, enye easy. Together with other great women. Omo beka nsema mai ye mayate. Na so obia fe na wo ko wo at least wo bibia wo be kra because like the experience no. Or say I don't know, chese nima bebe wo ha wan tinti afe ko dum no say, hey. And no cause first week I'm so in the back of a hospital cafe no so exactly but the fact that the body assistant accordation na any idea na me come there shame me jani freedom me come there shame me jani freedom ha and I think it's a good cause and no who turn na all kwa you know I mean that people would want to ask questions maybe no answer. I wakan e buso asem. Me no me defending no den. Wakan ye hye ni mu. Better so we ato ho. Enka hye ni mu a wo be hu se bia na bibi papa bi banana afei aboagu, you know. So now that she's voiced it out, I think it's fine. Into obi enkura ni position na Saturday o me enkola pam. Me enko convergence of mothers my argument on this and my opinion on this issue is simple. If we are say nya obeyi bia nipa benya ho asemaka say ye papa say ye bonu say ye bonu shows ye hunu programs ni shows are echo so Ghana are presenters assistant over time ebia no obi na host program no na we jai eno obi foforo abefa obia wo de obepeke ene ne analysis a ode beba it doesn't mean say nipa na o host no ana de program ne de said de waye atwemu said de o host obia wo ne strength obia wo baby o ye good with obia wo ne followership you know just allow people to breathe sa industry comparison ni ade na it's not helping
Ghana for omo alawo
it's not helping
Ghana for omo alawo because what you're saying is so necessary and so important munjai ni panel so that you can even enjoy what the person has brought now now be compared there you will not enjoy
like something exactly. Is lacking because exactly different so amekasa na enya sana Patrick Bekasa
different
obia unique ewo in a small space so just give people grace let them do what they
couldn't agree with you more
industry na we now you better chain we na so be host we and na we na so we say oh no na no show be say no so sa sister iba say hey mama shui let me obeti agina mu de enko wiase and they came back praising her
so it to me yes I show na kan wasem the same show
the fourth no to Sabrian to say may host ne by ain't no eto da yema nkofo
chance I agree with
Anna Patrick was say
I think it's a beautiful thing say on say Nankopon Bible because say adoma chede ne gu ahoro obia ne de say ne adwa kan no say ye madwa kwan e ma ne betena akonya ya otimu a say na obe host this show is different from the way and to be our inbuilt talent wonimu and at times we just have to give the person space and I strongly believe in PMMP practice make man perfect so if you give the person opportunity na so nipa na practice here and the bemana ya
exactly
according to the work and all that but so nipa ne bana twetwe bi ho or background comment bi amobeka na we hear wo bebe wo betimi on the background dey address to no more
I mean we dey ya omobeyo omobeyo intinu wo no so na wo say usinkete now exactly and then you make up your mind say me ma affect me Wuna ye de brew no. You should make up your mind. Say me affect me. Because definitely you have that.
And you'll be an me standard criticism.
Yeah.
What you say? And you'll be an me obi but to say I'm funny say yes you will be me we absent to be me I mean the words are the back yenya ye was Sompa and you panibetibino. It can either bring the person down or ginger the person up. Depending on what you say to the person. What I say. And you know, as you encouraging growth, we should encourage people so that what is in them will come out. But better say no we grow bit me brown shoe we will bit me as
oh I don't know
it doesn't help.
Sanity. So like I was saying, wuna we at the receiving end no.
That's right.
Sink it. Main to me. And then like you're saying, we are also advising those on the other side say, hey, give people the chance.
That's it.
That is life. That is life. Because watching every day now one will see one opportunity now over to our papa so and you be expecting say you be boaje so and I be so mu and see you say ento wada. Ebe to me ato because he has everything at his beck and call. Ade nyina enka obi wo ho a okoto eyi yare mpa so a enka obe sorry them next moment. No, you can't. Enye no enti no bibia contribute enye easy o we say
you know ma obi ena wiase enye wo papa bi a wo ye enye just pray say whatever space you are in, whatever you have at the moment, any ahodi bi a wono bompa say ensoswe bi a emmoro ahoden so embeto because the bro ahoden so etoa your money, your intelligence, whatever you think say eye akode see a ofo say defense to you no me patro enko baby enti bompa ye and experiences be saying so na nkofo be say sha na eboa especially he's sharing because we timia overcome enti na all share
no be atia da ne ho so
real
oh yes
obekom no owo bibie bi but what dey share ne caliber ejuma awaye feet a wa tini ni ade no me pa cho so as a moja amfa phone no friend adam for be say say minua ade say na atulio nipa no kro nyini obeka so oboa enti anya me de be sha me ho na me ama battle ma enti no this issue is real. Is happening every space be move from football to medicine to ministry to whatsoever field e wo hot say aso for the crown o mo come more young ministers no o mo come more enti no yemfanye adesuade so wo battle bibisa na ubetimi seek help e bia na brai resources be available until it me bo na man battle sa depression e bia wo sa resource wo ni bi
that's right
enti pe nipa moa seek godly counsel na e bia na wo de no e de wa ko ba bia ense so ukopi
you know so as you spoke two things came to mind enti if you are in as I want to circles now as in sika say you should try and then build trusted people around you. Like those you can be vulnerable in front of them. How you should is necessary. Say who was a spouse number one person, but who needs spouse try and find somebody like that so that bibinia there should be somebody who will believe it. There should be somebody who will take your word for it. No one who say you should build that around you. Who question na say who bibi ba won sema na bibi no because omona ube shia omo wosoro ho no wosoro na wo ne pe no mo hu wa sha say no mo hu and usually you be a won ne sha ase no and I betumi aye sa ade na ma wo so that you can always fall on that person. So that was the one thing that came to mind. Number two thing was you were citing the fact say bibi ebe bro so ba asasi so at least ni amabe hu ne say enya me asem ne say ono pe ɛna yɛde yɛn ho to ne so a ɔsi ɔma nea ɛboro yɛ so ɛmma yɛn so enti no si yɛpɛ antidote to that a yɛmfi yɛn ho to awurade so abere biara na ɔbɛboa yɛtu no aso.
But yes, man, congratulations.
Oh yes.
Ambassador for national teams and court football.
Oh, I see.
GFA,
hey, watch Nakom. Nice.
Yeah, into much
nice.
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 Now, most of the Abena starting.
The World Cup, no. 11 June or so. 11 June. 11 June. 80 somebody like the World Cup, Monte. Oh, you need New Day Supporters Union. 80 Friday, Chrome member Beshijama.
Okay.
And now to see a call. You church them. You World Cup. Ain't no Friday on Beshijama. Now Friday, so Martin, no. Abena Ruthy once said. Patrick once said. Adra once said. Internet TF4. And never before Jamanaba.
Friday is not now.
Hey, Ochina, me too, you know. 80 and no say, Ubetie, ye presenters in now. Now, Obasso, Obabako, Obodi. I mean, so be a bodina, Uba, won't mean was I did. And there was a pebe 3 to her eye.
Wow.
Tia born in the roof, it's in Ra. No, Masaka, before my conversation to you. So that the whole day you should listen. Into no beer from Ahomachi to the following Ahomachi. No one can. Atiakosia once said, now I said, and Abena Ruthy once said, Sompa delight. Anyway, me Dama say, Patrick and I'm sure.
Make out some food, Rudy.
Oh,
one said,
Prophet Odo once said, Tie. And then oh, Charlie. I was here for 18 years. My Lexta Company Limited, producers of Yasted Face, Yasted Brush, Omonomo Soya Snake, Emma Edijumeje, Ebro. Almost say, Upe, hygienic, healthy living. I always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. That product be Wagana Cream Market be Albania be Michelle Crowd from 050-161-9588. Not Kumasi. What Fermo 050-139-0338. Ye be try ho abasisia na ye ba abedwafo aye ready an komo no ye betwa so komo hwehwehwam me from my sages I omo beba na ye di komo enti me sure menko ba bia ye try ho abasisia
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techima eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsani fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wo nsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 Next 21st clinic. Still, one more sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods. Abakade. Enye diani ni diani o. Ye diani ni diani. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha. Ahemfo. Eyi akesiye. Wedi na kesiye. Party akesiye. Se mu pe baby a wo be serve wo ma wo ho. Se ye buffet ene wo mo ye. Se ye local continental dishes a. Wo bi e twa nani a. Hajia special local foods. E wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no. Die ntie fe ni local foods ne se. ye enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo tentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro na wo de aye aduane se ehye abonti na aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese ehye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tena se no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfa haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve haji special local food pese wo fra eye 024 635991 024 635991 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 na would them
middle edurano pa wutimi to boase echichiwusi o ado na so nim se medie yas toothpaste and the brush and the twimesima menya homka senti na ye bokoyi na medie me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush abuo me amasesei menum so a enunu anase de ehia me selfimfem me biem na wonhwa se mesi ayefita asesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and the medi hwimese enti na wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, Enukretodo, Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, any Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and the brush, I was young chamfa.
So we pedudu to a one cry ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, I was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited, and the Yas Toothpaste Mohudo, and the brush abejaso, abeboy.
Tonte, Yan Samia Fadrin.
Near Fadrin Pa, say none say baby beba, ama tontina 74, Opa and simple. T74 abeyedru
tontina 74 ana T74 asa chiya gene esina nanom dodoso se de na dodo buama na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no
emo immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia no ho den
tontina 74 yinso yaya ni se nsuo kokrowa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wa ankafi na ekoi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74
se mennom tontina 74 minya hodi menum ne dabia
T74 yi hahama ene ye de aye na DHC na aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ya pomuden kwa
woko pharmacy ana baby to no bia ubenya tontina 74 yi biato
T74 yi enye ma oba wafafuo ana obi a oma nufuo ana se obi a onya mfie buye
etu phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA atom.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyakupondi for Wastrano Ewe Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupon Yahon Wadepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasisia. A bro Nankupon Casa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And Mason perfect service in Chawu Hoda. A Yadra Kusi if Yadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi, Anopanusia. Foundani na Sheradens. Na erade beye
ya boy ya ba Sompa ya boy ya ba Sompa de waguo no enu na witwa de waguo no enu na witwa ya boy ya ba Sompa.
You said it.
Because some of the things now there should be a form of boundary I will set it.
Right.
There's a form of boundary I was setting as a spouse in the marriage. Ebe to me protect him because nipa na won hwa won no omo de be omo pensamity if you ho and I was say to me celebrate man so ye da wo celebrate na wo ye ni mu
ena aware na wo ware no sum. They are entirely two different things. Inti as a celebrity no when I was so to me manage near uwomu no. Yemfa no ebi bright. Yama me o ye tema mayo. Meka say waya ade bebre say wetumi keep ne niama ni bi private. That is how I make us say celebrity be to me so yeah. Irrespective of the way for our music move, film move, politics move, you have to do it in such a way say all the boundaries be ba. Our arena sem ye fiasem. And you even have to decide on which informations you go out.
Okay.
And yet bribia ni ade to dream. Because as for the public lady, omo pensemeti.
Omo penny, omo dividing komo.
Exactly.
No, but this is amazing. Let me hear Uncle's take and then we will see. I mean, because media are shocking me. Papa. Because come to think of the fact, say, no, you're actress, and I say, I'll be a politician. Nah, say no, you're vocal, no.
Abna, I'm say, a what side no fahun. I was so to be prioritizing our no and an industry now woman so to be prioritizing.
Okay.
And I make us say, no person kwa bonten.
Yeah.
And no kwa bonten. No person kwa bonten na kwa bonten. And ye bribia now the about social media. One kasa ni awuye wo febia o de ukunu ba. Munya ntokwa na o de ntokwa na betudwa. It doesn't really work and help that way.
But also be also so I am feel say like I said I want to hear Uncle take then I will add my comment. So Uncle Debra. So the Uncle I relax and story I say we even
our ready. So be honest so see handle no marriage. Na marriage you know say we nya no epoase. And I say nipa we bi nkutra we bi ebusafo a ne be. It we ade e wo ho ye nu bi na minim. But I said the concern for
exactly.
It is also the last election 2024.
Okay.
They counting be a what temano. Now the film of no idea be bright in the end. The concern for the baby get over that or else I didn't never do her but there'll be our every day.
Yeah.
Because Kabia minya money ubia wari semi kukebia minya and ubia
because there me money.
So there are some people who are celebrities. Apart from so, ono outside they call name bino. The family who about social media. You so a lawyer politician. It's all fan home for no so take two politicians, also about a politician or pay MPD. They will keep it secret. I was a Ghana, you will be.
Men can't show be so now. Also we catch next person. Men can't show be a
crowd.
I know, right?
You have your own best friend.
Yeah.
Almost only now for but your best friend or I will transfer from what you want to to be catch me could be not how catch me catch you.
Your best friend is another person's best friend.
Always be no keep it to yourself. Keep it. I wrote a review. Bet me so oba ebe tu kwa ba kobochi no anya bisa kan wanu tum and can't you be because any na hu anya time.
Yeah.
So until na ni year by year birthday and a man who said birthday date ni so man ko no man ko year every crana I don't know you na be na ni e ma no ho so obe ka wi ansana among for appreciate but I want to say, oh, me worry. Medium and very simple.
Okay.
Family, you me worry on the 28th of August, 1993. Family, you know. Now, I'm reaction from 89. I have 4 years.
Uncle,
and because you fear, you know.
Okay.
And I owe your mommy Coca-Cola.
Create tobacco.
And one won't to be a boy, but can't buy a new bed. So the band are 100 cities going.
Wow.
And I'm doing Kawaii Ashem ya baby.
Wow.
What I get to go? I celebrate my wife.
Yeah.
On Facebook day when you are there do an
anniversary.
That's right. It will be how I'll carry so celebrate your arena so warrior. Expectations are very, very, very high.
That's right.
The expectations are very, very high. Say Obama or ye in MP. I am a member beer. While celebrities, no. So, Jamia, you are man jealousy, kakra or especially Pakron maybe an actress. Na makoyi una obi kisiu. You make to believe. And so yes, I make to believe. Because I did be anything Yakupon me a conscience, no.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is all a Christian. Now we are act to state. They say it was greater. You have to show this great, but intentionally, what you know, and yeah, dear son, I say, oh yeah, your conscience will let you live free. And it's as almost acting that I do stage. Props say you should say Sikanya. Yeah, you should be else kind. Say by young Quack. So how can you know? I will Hannah Nikun, a jealous to be over about social media cry, Beman crying and pet. We don't want some better best supposed to Nikun Yamana, you know, and so be an hour. They want to fund their life. We have a celebrities in the idea. Wakawari, Obia, or Iskani. Iskani, no, Akawari.
Just what coming next day in him now? And one, I mean, Yanko.
Yes, Akawari Iskani, or this kind of the best also. Or the best also. And in marriage, any relationship, you know, I dear Bakupa or Yanko Yema and Nipa sex. So, Pum. The reason why Oyanko Pansana Kalabano is so bad, Bemada. Na said why had a serious Yaku policy design no na said who san was the minimum you have to do have oh my god I mean Yaku put the amount side and said by young Kalani ba open door what you say
I confirm
it depends on your crowd baby. So if you look at the age difference what if you are 60 years nothing or 20 tell you oh life no Afrobeat in fact it may do baby in Pama grow a lot of baby. It's jealous in him, baby. Don't be no physical. When you cry, become crown or carbon take crown. Because certain of any name, association fire. Oko. It is so choosing a partner in terms of you being a celebrity. So I'm saying maybe I will come when you're getting your but I need your friend and need your party. One way when you be that sanity.
Wow. Yebeko sa Nigeria story and I will do to
and Abena before that no. They are not public, no. Almost try some compare that relationship with a perfect couple, and even in the comparing, no, a minimum feel say near maybe because I saw banana and I saw Breman free mo, and I say I saw banana and Breman it's name. Into most of the times, no, the public want to be at the decisive part. Say who decided idea custom they want to play a role in it. I quite to say acting beer. Almost one chain or play role in it.
Some of them would have seen when you saw So I mean, what makes this beautiful for me? And again, I am even thinking that even before Papa never Trono, but I mean, be one discussing. That is my thought. I mean,
and yet all the time I know.
Okay. But I say be na Oma discussing. Me say all the time. But I'm saying say it could even be that looking at how they have built their relationship, no, it could even be say I think Oma Jatum say okay, you release it.
Abena, sometimes no, a banner celebrating.
People of God, me pa mucho. So focus.
Ebano celebrity marriage na na o say obema no ene oba no nia omo pese eba abonten no na omo decide what am I say into there's always discussion as to which one should go out says our discussion number bibia nko out keke into there's always a discussion that is more pese aware no eko year Mona mo decided on which one to go out. What am I saying? Let me give you a perfect example. Sometimes young fan say Celestine per se or DBB ba online na. Ni kunu bembi. Otumi catch and say we emananko. Otumi ko hunu bi a we posting no catch and we yi free ho.
They are a manager into no and also a different level. But I don't know pono the any manager. Until any manager could do that.
And any husband can also do that.
Me feel say any baby out. So I see intentionality in this. I see say you're very careful, like determined say this is what we are doing, and they successfully did it. and I do point out almost feel say asemi pie cry okay because really at this point who scrutinize you more when scrutinize you more omo ye your friend is saying omo nya position say that baby be bright edri the next level say obi to me I keep in under wraps sama obi ante then time our position ni good no now they've brought out the information
now omode bar out no and it's not even implicating bribia fine to say minia bema kai I to say celebration bi and a obo bi abaso that one there's nothing wrong with that but ye kase aware ni mu nsem a AP no there's nothing wrong with say uni obi wo ho na nipa ni say woni nipa ko na wo ho there's nothing wrong what am I say because you should know say your public domain mu your public now public no matter what you do you nim say mami your sorry baby oda papa ni fie what in American I say sometimes we who say be on papa na take car the same car mu and I say bibi omunim say be omo womma inti all these ones suggest say bribi wo ho inti enye bribi omudi esie just say more information in terms of near at any particular time no and mfa metudwa and a house na efe no
yo reverend yati
they come on say lady no actress me boy
yeah
I don't know when the last time I be on the phone be maybe about out because people now know her to be
a politician.
But I say for a long time no say celebrity status but in terms of the role time no say celebrity status but in terms of the role I didn't quite a man celebrity status filmmaking you know for the past back 10 years or so on your active bloggers no any the show that side you know
okay
then say politics in be about the marriage side you know that talk and public space you know obi ehun say oni papa no and na wana yes I don't want fancy be maybe I want to look yenti ehun ase say maybe say wife I don't remember apart from say be one or two be sorry you know say be Ghana Music Awards can I mean but for the past 10 years or so so doesn't continue be people who me maybe I'm no people for her hey Uncle Freddy I didn't want for you and I be but if you never been a man koswama say in activity Obano as a celebrity you know in the acting space you know for the past couple of years you know say trade in Ankasa your entire you know definitely yeah
okay
and also be okay yanom
anyway
I'm say one will say Uncle Fred aka yam fan it this way Uncle Fred in his field the fact sem kofo hunu de bia wo TV so and a radio so no is termed as a famous person wabe celebrity inti ne wasem ba e was so sing obi foforo onya very minia by otihe she's doing extremely well but because her face is not out there producer and say na ne face ever radio so because yeah online near there inka no one would have ever known the producer but right now where cause baby obe febi obi or share Sompa online be obe say producer on ni in that way no e drew samre no pe e was say niam bi wo ho a private now who near what they call out now ye share ye nua ba yi a ye ka no ho asem asisi or a politician or about 20 movies wo and a ojai movie ye ekoye politics inti even in that space you know needing so eba inti at the end of the day,
last movie was when
it was I think some few years back some few years back inti one will say we free industry no mako another one ye share yanka say your sister so Jifa Gomashi or your minister honorable minister of tourism previously no so ne face no with TV so sa on fan ni amamba tu dwa sesi we moving from movie eco politics at the end of the day she's still a celebrity into still non conform no na same be pie bia ebe ya ho.
You know, you brought my attention to that because I know honorable. I mean, before obey honorable, into the minim a bit about the side, you know. Into the me who say yes, like you're saying, it depends on what you put out.
Exactly.
It depends on what you put out. And I say now who force me who said that Uncle Fred Nima said we are not ye be who say ho no, and I will be but the example you just brought has really, I mean, nailed it for me. So we can deliberately put such things away.
Woman temono nkrofo kakra bi na be nim ne e koso. E bia last week one oyeri twaso wo dem. Omo wo area mu pe na e be hunu. But at the end of the day, omumu ba akope. Ebe to me bonti akoka say hey na Uncle Fred na yiri twaso ana say obi we ni yiri twaso am nkofo ebisa ho nsem a start ya mani aba ho but at the end of the day no ukoyi hu ano a and I want the information neighbor
echo I know there it's true to say the Uncle Fred okay Mr. Mantra no say free utima enye eyi secret bi owo e free utimu free ebe bie wa no a enye secret bi owo I can go anywhere. So yes, I think the points are well made. Enti me no intentionality na mpese ye hammer so for people to see and say ube to me aye because we have these two examples ayaka see. In fact, my mind never went on the honorable until Reverend Oma example. It means you can do it. You can do it. Nye bibia na de beto abontin. Inti yen fen enra Nigeria ho na ye ke. Ye nyina ye ni Regina Daniels. Na sentem na or worry sikani bia omuntem atete. Ama enra em se konkonsa kra of a Jerry de Banra no na show say oni another sikini kura ebi ekogina ho twa picture we no so kra ye ho internet ne so na ne honorable no ne eswan ye first no okogina election kra ma che say honorable worry report am ebi ni mu blame girl ne say because of following social media ne ade ntini ye de totu ni I discuss it too you who to me who difference no I mean baku choose say obey display the relationship Emma obey abema na ye a friend is a public affair ama obia be mubi and then the results na fe say na ye hono and then this is one that we have like find ones in Ghana you know and na Uncle Fred Koho I just want us to touch on that the fact that number one now papa ne from politically no they are blaming the lady and then number two senior ye de relationships no eto abonten ayana in fact I've been thinking say sometimes ayana yesua brofo na a life in a day and then anasa Kim Kardashians say omu life ne da abonten enu na ya yepesi yesua ana
Abena yem fa Nigeria story we I was see ye nyina ye hu say enkrofo mienu na mo a Obia on the fans. Obia on the fans. And I say, Crawford Minun Nama, because Obia on the fans in Inti, no munim say, Menon and Namanintino. Bebria Nanka was side, Beba me side so. Akahu, because of association.
Okay.
And Untina say, young fan is a political party be woho. Nasa wodon hunko bon. Now when you're popular poor, because of association, no, that a dean unti. Obia kase or tuaba the amount. In the same way as a celebrity, no, say one send your 190 year because in the first place, no, you should be able to build a strong, firm trust between you and the person you are working with.
Okay.
Why am I saying trust? Young fan says the person is a movie person. Debi obe kwa kwa film. Debi obi be trying to hug. Debi obi be man a fake kiss. But at the end of the day, no, do you trust her? Or your bemaswa, does she trust you? These are the two general things I was say. Almost say they should be able to build a solid trust for themselves, or no, as a man and the woman. Adentina. But nipa bekasa. You who say when you be full picture, people will begin to make meanings out of the picture now. Mujina whole channel. and I see who say only nipa ko nam twice 3 times they will start making meanings out of it inti even before ye who yet is answer me nyina no you say internet say oni obi ko twa picture what you see what is going on
fi na worry nim
aha
and another odogu
ono so dey chat picture but on any chat picture doesn't mean say ono na afi de omo nanti bomu ana it doesn't mean that way but na because ankrofo a follow one kakra no omo hu say bia na bibi wo mu so ampa aha but we cannot state emphatically say sa na etie wo nti e was say etie ase say that individual must be able to build trust in the other partner because sometimes constant travels beba rumors beba rumors beba to say near yeti we are see obi ni obi picture they be all better some but so would Jini Pakuni dear the question is say are you going to accept those things for a fact and I say you just let go
are you going to accept those things for a fact and now you let go? Okay, Uncle Fred.
So once out there, we start to be ready and find and so we did. We say now, ministers of Islam can't age disparity.
Yeah.
I would room over her life, no, Sophia, no, so cool. And now, some paying for and I didn't know who I wrote more shows.
Okay.
Men call her Papa, a politician, was seeking for even to know Obano. So carbon to maybe bra any kind of baby it affects the man. And unfortunately don't get any some papa kuluzu na ipoto crowd lose crowd you know stands for the fact say when you come to the political terrain here there am I influence ba to mo so young kuba sa no the lady if they sorry no be kan eba foforo no about be complaining about loneliness and in never be brave papa no don't regarding in them now it is said who is celebrity na so akwa why say be say ya ebia before I worry no easy go person we are that kind of extrovert type I will be any na oba bontia baba be I feel by baba risk to ni and never be brave but still no you are go be brave feed you information and a lot of people Naima who say come me one someone that is what you say bloggers this time they all want information
the
information is there who be on kakra bi pa they no ja no infidelity be abamu na okoye den a whole lot of it has one can you chance say who ye celebrity now also all relationship you want you can say wo hwe say see the friend is over to boaboa no so when you are going to that kind of relationship because of sikas kind of obedi ba hoto no nya on say baby o ha the last time na opanyi kwadwo married counselor na otuefo say I was going nya imprantwe ani and I didn't say o soko obi die wa ha no obi so wo die abaware obi so soko no ba bi na in marriage ade ba ko a emmoa ne say ube meet to husband and now wife no be say to me no from my boyfriend the one dey one yard pa what you be casting me akire for the rest of your life and you cry and things so why you na you do Victoria sabi e bia ono e bi da o say dey oda ho no obi so obi wa fast ade no mu you playing so it becomes so kind of a marriage issues about a friend say celebrities now very very complicated because among there people feed information on them. Some of them have their personal bloggers. Some of them when in some say about Bontia, because as someone to maybe to about Bontia about the family. Hey, I already know my only one. Say be crying now about crying Ebiana or particular Yaribu. It's so crowd community unless say Ebia we hear more from the public and Sana. Some of the marriage things in here. You have to keep it a secret. But however, no, the celebrity status now, Obama will be a whom, be a you among for if they don't get that kind of information, it's not about her. Remember, be a on Pesadian or very strict to my side, and the commanders are to the same baby.
kilo carry a
because me on life family for the celebrities are very brave you
yeah
understand that the sick or who na baba share so for what apart from sex and what again and I just me want to me no be me want my ba no go your way if I want sex for I can call somebody to come and have sex with me and then go away and never be brave I say you come and say share celebrity life in India ending because we see be no sorry now they what they go through yeah the demand is very high because who tell you e bia partner eye ni me bia say who ko ba sem a anything to be an eba for obi now I dey bia bia ba for obi ti who try say be permanent decide but also feel say no side anymore you know at the end of the day na fe
very interesting onim say baby o kasa na baby dropping me team I think around 2016 na Joyce Blessing na I feel na wa ba eho chairman and now I was close to them. Now I remember something chairman said one time. I mean, interesting. No, say certain I feel na Joyce ba apa ni ade and ono de no person or Connie Jom said they no yen life that I'm talking about celebrity need demand say won. Ain't you know or say call la pass o kodi ni dwa na obe report it to the manager say ohwe asema to do or call la pass o kodi ni dwa na fe obi say hey Joyce Blessing say I feel say just why you overwhelmed and some of these things it happens who are certain lifestyle be when then suddenly a new thing emerges into also will manage it. I mean but it is something that happens. So suddenly the normal people you relate with, because when you're fame being to another level be a want to me kwa and conquer told doc no kwai ho na wo koko wo kwai ho
it depends because me celebrity be a grand I'll bet you that I'm Mama Brown.
Okay,
She's carved a need for herself. Yes. Oh no Odido e de jadi na no tik once or three come over there you don't come. If you go to Rome,
do what Romans do.
Because the same kind of people no am way you know. One day say film where you at any point in time be she's able to play that kind of role. If you just celebrate now well. I don't see that man say to kokora bontiana if you odi if you also so nya sanche no the time the sense of time in adia wo ye particular year because we celebrate do we wa call so ye man for say we can also relate by the
as honorable John Dumelo auto ni gobe e wa haban mu no we bie mu not ho no odi no aka chere that gobe
eno ne e be a sentence but it be a sentence but the real thing they say obi be celebrity
okay
automatically no was so who say fame asesa ne identity in a particular way into neo maybe wo hwa they should understand say marriage is real life and yes and and a fame and I say being a celebrity no and only based on the environmental situation near we enti e was sinimu no and ama wa be yesa into marriage no different sene no your script be ya tra wo ko act ye enye sa na wote into you have to live as a human being and live as someone in the community your rules and regulations. What is wrong say celebrity or tokoko or ye nipa nothing changes into celebrating here also say met ne fie no be nkoto kokko mami ana that be
I to me okay, so me making point is straight kaka. So Joyce then I'm the baby. It wasn't because I mean on to me manager and but it was just a new phase she had entered into. No, it's just an example just to
and yes new phase until I make say environment a temporal thing. Even those same environments will change you. to say near some politician
almost
sound no I'm for the dinner china as a son no
okay the son was a
son also who say a temporary
oh no but see I better I mean it's okay maybe
when you hit bi omu a omu we be few what in the American now say it is still kodwam kodi udwa ho crap no benya fans more ho crap na nipa crap be boo more say on kire no ho my example am my brother Penyi mai Nana McBrown is someone that I always salute obuade she knows how to relate what in the American I say and ane dey no enya settings natural it's real
it's true
you get the whole thing real sa na otie
but fidation am it's 90% but fidation am it's 90% me obi ehun say yen compared to
no not at all
and then two ni America na enye se nipa no no so samre ontumi nye remember to me ba ontumi nya ade a oye no tese de ye ka say sister Penyi ye no debi I don't know what happens but make beginning se ne tie se ne change no ebeye and it's been managed or through no so ye ne obeye managed or through no so ye ne obeye also to me kodwom ni ade but I'm saying that from the beginning this was how it was. I want it to be clear. This was how it was. It's not like it's still happening on because you're praising one side we have to let the point be clear say this is it. Example keke.
Example see ade ni yesia.
You be found no say won go see money.
Oh that no, you need to say ye judge obia. We just gave an example. Say ebetumi aba say obi wo fufuo. Because of a president edi. Settings.
Oh yes.
Sa na ye ka.
Na ye ni ha na obi esi gotamu tutu gotamu.
At the normal circumstance no obeya na. Say oya sa na otie. That is what we are talking about. Say sa na oya sa na otie. Ye be hu as a normal thing oya efe.
Anyway, me story about cause be but me be free Jimmy nti mama me mo final words there ja na muni mo china na e koso wo dem ha yes see ochina tiefo omu fra ombeka ebi a Abena Ruthy once said no waka bibi a wote wa Abena ho anti akosia once said na waka apam once said na waka obrimpon once said nti presenter bi e wa ha bia ofra obeka ne nipa kro no aka wati ato wasum nti mbeto amam sisi ansa mama final words okay me to amam sisi nti on Sompa delight munka obi one said nenko you can say your own thing
me ni amate Sompa delight
why the guy
hey I'm not written a guy and you know you see na my brand
Eti rap mama final words na your call for horses so
e di nchia be kwa ma obia oben ye kasa nyankopon hira wo nyina sana that's my statement for today.
Okay, thank you Reverend, thank you. I mean debi amesemo badia minim say ye betia sema ye say emu odu and we have and I like the education we have given people on celebrity lifestyle near there. Uncle Fred.
Me pabuchopi omo frefre me bre say Miss G akoka se binti no. Me na na mama ba na nti omo be tutubo money e me no pabuchopi so.
No almost there almost kare.
Omo frefre auntie kanti the Miss G kind Uncle Fred was on come be hair selling so make me bia na pabuchopi so.
Oh, Miss G say me say earlier you can ho asem. Enra no wo fi ha. Eno ba ha ai enti em so we no call
Nana Romeo ha
Nana Romeo
na trending o na mi ni amanti no so mpi so kana so
me na me say me feel say you better say waka because what say ahye ni mu a enti waka na no no problem ni ho
better frame busa me na manu asem me from chopi
Saturday ye nyina ye call up
kana se no ono emfa me tu dwa
oh be hu na nini aketwa e na aka bibi na de na de se nyina ye ni
me frame me ka se medical me nye se bia nimtia na mebu if I check corner me number 0201 682423 enwum ho adwuma na me yedidi bibia abato agin go bibia and I'll pay anything to consult me about music me at other thing we are now offer me a dose
what's your number view
0201 682423 and your friend because you are na metie Sompa Forson say if I me by we year na 2 months yana
yeah come on sir my ade
nipa 29 na nadu ana okọ man say abina bi nya na ebo mpaye say edwara ne yaware bia ne bitima ba we kan ho na the last one not the least is so ne beto say the can from now to the 20th of June it's okay say to yiri nkra ha maybe so far before the 10th of June 2015 ne nyina say anybody we are so be trauma now this out team electrical service for no ebe hardly pa what low lying area bia wo ne ma papa bia no ye fi ho a do la ni twema na outside about it's management in obi am producer obi a e da wase
yo ene na yeso ye da mo ase pa if be ga ye da mo ase bebre Reverend any Uncle Fred ye da mo ase papa sa abrini abibia mo ba na mo ne ye be che nsema emu do emu ehwam emu odu ai Sompa delight e da mo ase special main fa kwenye so end up me producer one ase D4 Jeremiah me da ase me ya kwa fefa na abedu ha no erade nka ho no mo awo ama bibia anya from I Auntie Anchua the svelte lady me da se I senia eyi mobile di nkomo woni Patrick also for Patrick you see o se wa obeye eyi constant member nti e we na nimfa me da master se mobile na me da St. Augustine as then now me DJ now me online person Oni Joanne I omu DJ no mo sande yakọ online ni aje na bibia ye kama abusia for ochina me hwe manim den for Abena Ruthy once said, Antakosia once said, Apam once said, Obrimpo once said, Abake once said, Wambium, Adwa once said, Nameke Kako, Professor Bochi once said, Nayeke Kako sa, Safo once said, Professor Osafo once said, just Omunina, once said, Michelle, now bought a one person dear. Na obi abodini deda eno ano no untumi mbo na enti mpamocho ochanya me adoma ye behia edi ameji so ane Abena Ruthy na me sorry to say wa winim Sompa for God and country eba me sure me ko bia Professor Bochi why ready na ye ne one said ne so ready I nyame hira mo I wonder how I would have